The Volkswagen 1600 TL was a Type 3 car. It retained many of the Beetle's design concepts, such as the air-cooled rear-mounted engine. Produced by VW from 1961 to 1973, it came in several variants: the notchback, the fastback, the squareback, and the sedan delivery. The idea was to provide more luggage and passenger room than the Beetle. The fastback version was not introduced by VW until 1965, and Lesney released it in 1967. Initially, the toy was always some variant of red, but in the conversion to Superfast, which was purple, there were some purple castings released with the original 1-75 wheels. There are also some crossover Superfast that are red with the Superfast wheels. As you might imagine, both of these are somewhat rare and highly sought after. Someone decided this needed a stripe, but I'm just going to restore it, and I'm using Tester's Rattle Can paint to boot, so stick around.
I'm back on dry land once again. Opportunity awaits me like a rat in a drain. We're all hunting honey with money to burn. Just a short time to show you the tricks that we if the boys all behave themselves here, well, there's some pretty young ladies and beer in the rear. You won't need a gutter to sleep in tonight. Oh, the prices I charge you will see you all right. So she lays down beside me again. Sweet painted lady, the one with no name. Many have used her, many still do. There's a place in the world for a woman like you. Oh, sweet painted lady, seems it's always been the same. Getting paid, being late, guess that's the name of the game. Oh, sweet painted lady, seems it's always been the same. Getting paid for being late, guess that's the name of the game. Oh, forget us, we'll have gone very soon. Just forget we ever slept in your rooms, and we'll leave the smell of the sea in your beds. Well, love's just a job and nothing is said. So she lays down beside me again. My sweet pain
Well, there you have it. The Matchbox number 67B Volkswagen 1600 TL. I don't know that I'm 100% satisfied with the paint, but it does have a real period finish to it, which I like. I never took the wheels off, I just cleaned things up as best I could. All in, I guess I'm pretty happy with it. Stick around for an episode of The Bench after this, if you're into that kind of thing. This is Time Rider, and I'll leave the light on for you. Hey, thanks for sticking around for this edition of The Bench. You know, I got a couple of things going on right now. Next week, I'm going to do a do-over build. You ever have one of those castings you did that just didn't turn out as you had hoped? Mine is this VW Squareback. I mean, I had large hopes for it, but it's like when I got done, I just didn't do anything for me. I didn't even do a video. Well, anyway, I'm going to start over and see if I can do something meaningful with it. And then, of course, on Saturday, September 5th, the Three Blind Mice is hosting the Hummer Bummer build. So be sure to go over there and let us know if you want to build a Hummer. Any Hummer, if you've already got it, or if you want to get one, just let us know you want to play along. And we'll do a nice recap of all the work. As always, glamour shots are always appreciated. And then lastly, I'm working on this 66 Corvette. And I'm doing this as a cooperative build with CK Project X. And if you've never been to his channel, I'll put a link below. Go take a look. The guy's just amazing with his paint. So he's probably going to kick my ass. And then the picture of the week here, I caught this little guy on my deck a few years ago. I think he was looking for food, but who knows? It's a squirrel, right? Anyway, I hope this video finds you healthy, happy, and wise.